Hi guys, I'm Manuel, the creative director for iMind Creative, and in this tutorial series we are going to be learning mobile video editing, and I want you to see this as a great opportunity to upgrade your skill even in mobile video editing. In this lesson, we are going to learn mobile video editing, and we are going to go through the introductory aspects of mobile video editing and also learn the user interface of the mobile editing app we are going to use. Before we dive into the tutorial, I would like you to subscribe to this channel because it encourages us to make videos like this for you. Let's dive into the tutorial.
Good day, class. I'm very happy to be part of this initiative, and I hope you get value from what we have here. So for the purpose of this training, mobile video editing, I'm going to be using a very efficient and cost-effective app. And this app that I'm talking about, it's a very wonderful app that allows you to do a lot even with your mobile. And it comes at a very cost effective, almost for free, and I believe you are going to get value from this app, so just stay along. So the app I'm talking about is CapCut. So I'm going to open CapCut now, and our objective for this lesson is we are going to learn how to start a new project, how to import files into CapCut. Also, we are going to learn the interface of CapCut. Now, the most easiest thing to do in CapCut is starting a new project, because the user interface has made it so easy and clear for any beginner to make use of CapCut. So when you open CapCut, this is what you will see. We have a windows for new projects, shortcuts, local, and all. So this is an empty project. I have not created any project. So when you open CapCut, this is what you will get first. And for us to start a new project, we need to create a new project by clicking on the new project knob. So you click on it. So when you click on the new project, so this is what we get now. It directs you to the your phone gallery or file directories, if I may put it like that. Your phone file directory where you have your videos and your photos saved. And one thing about CapCut is that you see that it has separated the videos from the photos. So these are the videos. So all video files that you have on your phone will be displayed in this window, and where you have photos, all photos will also be displayed here where you have photos. Also, you can use stock videos from CapCut now. So you need an internet connection to be able to do this. So you can use stock video. Right now I'm not connected to the internet, so that is why I can't access the stock video option. But once I'm connected, it will give you stock videos that you can choose from. Some are being paid for, some are free. So that is one thing I want you to know about stock video. So, but for the purpose of this tutorial, we are going to use the basic files that we have in our file directory. So don't forget, the objective of this class is to learn how to start a new project, how to import files, and understanding the interface of CapCut. So I'm just going to import random videos into it. Let's see. Okay, let me import this. So if you want to import, so you can make multiple selections. You can see that I selected one. You can see that any selection I make, it will appear at this part of the screen, so to indicate your selection. So when you are done selecting, so what you can do is to click on add. So when you click on add, then you wait for CapCut to prepare the workspace for us to start editing our video. So you just wait for it. Yeah, so once that is done, then you have a work area like this where we can see our videos and all. So I imported 2 videos, the first video and the second video. So basically that is how to import videos, import files into CapCut. You can still go ahead and add more files to it if you want to. Currently now we have just 2 video files, so you can still go ahead where you have this plus sign. Where you have this plus sign there, you can still go ahead and add more files. So once I click the plus sign, you can see that it returned me back to the directive, that is my file directive, so I can add in more videos. Yeah, so then you add, so you wait for the video to get compressed. All right, the video is done compressing. Immediately it has been added to the number of videos that we had earlier. So basically that is how to import files. You can also add audio to it. If you click on add audio now, so this is what you will get: sound, effect, extracted, record. You can even record audio to it. So we'll get to that soon. So when you import your files into CapCut, this is the workspace that you have, that you're going to be working with. You can see you have your preview area, where you see the video you are editing in real time, just like a monitor for you to see the video you are editing in real time. So whatever effects that you add to the video, whatever assets that you add to it, whatever graphics that you add to your video, you have a preview monitor to see the effects in real time. So so that is the monitor, and you can see that we have our universal play button. So once you click on it, play. You can also pause. So these are tools that we can use to navigate CapCut as a mobile video editor. So we are talking about the interface of understanding the interface of CapCut now. So the interface is a very, very simple one and easy to understand one. You can see where we have our time indicator here. The first time indicator that you can see here, this is 0 minute 0 seconds, 0 minute 13 seconds. So this is indicating where the playhead is currently in the video. You can see it's indicating where the playhead is. So if I move around, you can see that the time is changing. So at this, the video is at 0 seconds, 0 minutes. So if I move further into the video, it's just like showing us the time lapse of the video. At this, the video is at 25 seconds. Second indicator that we have here, it shows us the total duration of the video that we have in the sequence, the total duration of the video. So total, all the 3 videos that we've added together now, the sum total 31 seconds. So that is what that stands for. And like I said, this is the universal playhead button. You play and then you stop. So here is your undo. Maybe undo if you are conversant with the system, your Control Z, undo, Control Shift Z, that is redo. So that is redo. So you also have this icon here. Is a toggle that toggles between full screen, and if you want to watch your video in full screen mode, so you can toggle that icon, so it will play the video in full screen mode for you to see how it's going to be in a more bigger screen. So you can toggle it from the timeline to full screen and all. Now we have the timeline itself where the videos are laid, is our work area. So we do most of the effects from this timeline. We do most of the effects there. So let me just highlight it. This timeline. So that is the timeline. It is also called sequence, sequence of videos over time. So you add videos, stack up videos together in this to to make a complete video. We have other parameters which we can work with in the timeline. As you can see, we have cover. You can edit the cover, that is the beginning of the video. There is what we call thumbnail when it comes to video. What your video will display first, what you want it to be the cover when the video is not playing. You might have seen that in most YouTube videos where you see a catchy cover, and that will make you want to watch the video, especially with skits. So you can choose any aspect of the video as your cover image. So if I choose this aspect of the video as my cover image, so anytime the video is not playing, it will always show me that image that I use as cover. You can upload cover. Maybe you already do a design that you want to use as a cover for the video, so you can upload it right from your phone. So let me just use a random picture. Okay, so I'm telling CapCut that I want to use this as my cover, as my video cover. So once I confirm it, you can see what we have now. So we have this as the cover, and once you are done with it, you can just save it. And anytime your video is not playing, this is going to be the cover of the video. You can even add ending to your video. You can add ending. Maybe you have an animated clip that tells people to subscribe to your YouTube channel, or that tells people more about your business, or anything. It could be anything. Maybe your name, the name of your company, or an end note that you want people to know. So you can include that when you add ending. Now, coming down to the lower parts of our screen, you see that we have some basic tools that we can work with here. So I just want us to understand the interface. One thing is for you to have the whole idea in your head. Another thing is for you to know how the tools to use to execute all these ideas. So we have some tools here for us to use. We have the edit, we have the edit where you can add cuts to your video. You can split the video, increase the speed, volume, animation. You can delete the video, you can remove background and all. So that is the edit function. We have the audio also, where you can add audios, you can add sound, you can add effects, you can extract audio from a video, or you can even record. You can record. So we have the stickers, where you can add different stickers on your video. All right, so you can see that we have different stickers here. We have different stickers that you can add to your video. So we'll get to that when we get there. So even aside stickers, you can add text. You can see text to your video. You can create your own custom text. You see where we have enter text, so you can create it, type in whatever it is you want to type into it. You have your text template also, where you have some pre-rendered text that you can quickly add to your video to make it professional. So you can do auto caption, you can add stickers and all. So that is that for stickers, for text as well. So you can even do overlay. So all these are tools that we can use to make our video better. We have the effects, the overlay. You can add overlay to your video. That is adding more video tracks to it. Once we get to that level, I'm going to explain further about that. We have the effect also, where you can have video effects, body effects, and all. So these are tools that we can use. You can see the filter. These are tools that we can use, to change the look of our video, to have a more professional look, to add more flair, to add more elements to our video. So you can see we have formats, we have canvas, we have adjust, and all. So all these are tools which we are going to explore. So that's why I said that there is a lot to get from this app, and it is going almost for free, because this is an app that you will use, that after rendering your video, after exporting your video, you won't have a watermark there. This covers our introductory class, where we learn how to start a new project and import files, and also we have been able to understand the interface of CapCut, how CapCut works, by looking at the functions of every buttons that we have here, and how we can navigate in edit when it comes to video editing in mobile. So I hope you have gained something from this class, and I hope to see you in the next class. Thank you.
Alright guys, I believe you've gotten value from this tutorial, and if you do, please like, comment, and subscribe to this channel, as it encourages us to make more videos like this in the future. See you guys in the next class. Stay creative.